Assalamu alaikum yani Tatu Gabriel. Yus zan chapter 4 what books and burials tell us. Ye is pormut mun atkin sawal asifatkin textual questions. Tu agar wuchu kitab te sho tahiye ta tat pe wuchu ha bazat put tatu gonu koi sawal ase match columns. Yim şu column A column B yim kariu se match ka sho sukta chu achu brot ke likhet BS man stone boulder charts that should sacrifice, yajna, well said, dasa, used in battles, megalith, slave. Yishu yim yor kini bias manchi yim chi at galat opposite. Todro fikri yim chi yani opposite yat sukta shi likhet stone charts shi sacrifice likhet yajna shi well said dasa chu yetni jawab chi yim yishu galat. Kasho galat yim chi theek es kar yetn gedat sukta Ache well said as Lakun Bronkin, Ratas ache used in battles, Yajna acho sacrifice Lakun, Dasa acho slave Lakun, Megalith acho situn boulder Lakun. Tatopi go you complete Saval. Pachibiat, question number is complete the sentences. Yim sentence to complete Karn. Achu kitab that we should do, Bazet put, that I see like slaves were used for. Yos otan likhet. You should complete karun. Aaj ke lekho bronkin all types of work. To yaad B part. Megaliths are found in. Megaliths show Vishnu Ahmed. Ya imanchu Vishnu kahte Deccan, South India, North, East and Kashmir. Tadro pigre North, East and Kashmir. Aaj mein badal rang setin bandal meal setin lokmotiye. Te Vishnu are. Bazep prohush ak granat. C part show. Some circles are boulders on the surface wire used to. Kim khatar shema istemal karna yani ach likhit aaj jawab yani khali jay pe indicate that there are burials beneath. Burials beneath. To figure yani issue at bronkin khari jay pe lakun complete karet. D port holes were used for yani port holes istemal ema karna achu bronkin leke khari jay pe burial of the member but of same family who died later in the same place. Who died in the same place. Tadro figure, yeah. Port holes were used for burial of the member of same family who died later in the same place. Which is jawab. Yet petch at jawab iki ruk thavaya dit ki yoto tanet rupigri ish at khali jay pet eta kan shiyati yim jay pet ye rupigri ta yach yim jay petun Rupigre, etakan chibyak I say, certain people at Enamgan at Enamgan smazim look estamus kama. Kya? Wheat, barley, rice, pulses, millet, peas, sesame, meat and fruits. Yani yahan at lakun khari jay pet. To rupigre. Pachu question number 3. In what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? Ishu sawal. Jawab mukshu. The books we read today are written and printed, whereas the Rig Veda was recited and had heard rather than read. Secondly, today's books are printed on papers, whereas Rig Veda is a manuscript on the specially bark of birch trees. Fayad, kya? In what ways are the books we read today? दपा यम जन कमन तरीकन मज यम जन किताब छ we read today अस परान different from the Rig Veda. यम जन Rig Veda छ तम निश मुख्तलिफ कित कनन बुझतो the books we read today दपा किताब तुम यम जन अस परान छ आज are written तुम छ आमच लेखन and printed बे छ आमच print then, whereas the Rig Veda was recited. मगर युस Rig Veda छ ये क्या आगम छ करना recited and heard rather than read. या यानी लेखना के recited and heard बे ओस ये एमा बोझन यानी बोझन ओस आत हाँ rather than read लेखना बरकस. Secondly, दुयम कथ today's books यम जन अज किताब छ are printed तुम छ print करित on papers कागजन पे, whereas Rig Veda is manuscript मगर Rig Veda is manuscript on the specially bark of birch trees. ये छ कथ पे birch कुल यम जन जे कागज यम जन छ तमन कागजन पे तदर फिक्रे. तो आज गो युतुई इंशाअल्लाह रहमान बशर्ते की जिंदगी आयन आओ भी यम आज के सवाल छ तुम ते आनो ते ब्रोंट किन तो हावो ते मानो ते तुम मगर तो ये कम करा यमन इस सवालन कापी करा ताकि यम करू पत याद पन एग्जाम खतर युथ एग्जामस में तो कामयाबी तो काम रहने हेक्यू हासिल कर. बाकी शुक्रिया.